From a different project in my backyard, I was left with this wire mesh. The holes in the mesh were very small, so instead of throwing it away, I decided to turn it into something useful. That's how the idea came up to make a really interesting kind of raised bed garden using multiple layers of different materials. It's simple, low cost, and perfect if you like reusing things you already have. In this setup, I'm using 6 different layers, and each one plays an important role in building healthy soil. The first thing I did was shape the wire mesh into a circle. To keep it strong, I nailed both ends of the mesh to a wooden piece. This step is important because it helps the mesh hold its shape and gives it a sturdy structure so it doesn't bend or collapse later. Once the circle was ready, I placed it on the ground where I wanted the raised bed to be and marked the area around it. After marking the circle, I dug a small trench along that line. The trench doesn't need to be very deep, just enough to anchor the mesh. I placed the wire mesh into the trench and filled the trench back up with soil. This locks the mesh in place and keeps the structure steady, even after adding all the layers. With the structure secure, I started building the layers inside the wire mesh bed. This is where the real magic happens. Each layer has a purpose, and together, they create a rich growing environment. The first layer I added was loamy garden soil, which acts as a solid base and provides minerals while allowing water and roots to move through easily. The second layer was kitchen waste, including vegetable leaves, fruit peels, root scraps, and some rotten fruits and vegetables, which adds organic matter and slowly feeds the soil as it breaks down. The third layer was decomposed manure, which introduces beneficial microbes and helps speed up the breakdown of the kitchen waste while adding nitrogen. The fourth layer was garden soil again, which separates the fresh organic material from plant roots and helps balance moisture and nutrients. The fifth layer was another layer of decomposed manure, which adds extra nutrients closer to where plant roots will grow and keeps microbial activity strong. The sixth and final layer was mulch, which covers the soil surface, reduces moisture loss, protects the soil from heat, and helps control weeds. After setting up all 6 layers, the raised bed was ready for the final boost. On top of the mulch, I added compost tea. Compost tea is full of beneficial microorganisms, and pouring it over the mulch helps those microbes move down into the layers below. This improves nutrient availability, supports healthy root growth, and encourages faster decomposition of the organic material inside the bed. This layered raised bed works like a natural feeding system. Over time, the kitchen waste and manure slowly break down, releasing nutrients bit by bit. The soil layers help spread those nutrients evenly, while the mulch keeps everything protected on the surface. The wire mesh holds everything together and also allows airflow from the sides, which helps prevent compacted soil. Because the holes in the mesh are small, the soil stays inside while still getting good aeration.